Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So today is a confession video, and this is one of two videos today. I'm not sure which way round I'm going to do them at the moment, but this is the one I'm filming first, so just so you know. You'll notice on the background that I do not have my lampshade up. My lampshade from the last video that took me about a week to do. Well, overnight all of a sudden I had this kind of crash and the thing fell off and broke into about 7 different pieces. Now I'm going to be honest here because this is literally a confession video. So I'm going to show you what I did to it because I was determined to have this thing up because I spent so long doing it. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. This is a bit of a weird video because it's got no tutorial to this one, but I'm going to show you what it looks like because I had to do some kind of alterations. So here we go. The first thing, if you make a lampshade, the first thing you need to do is make sure you have a good enough support at the top. So I made a ring for the top here, and I also made a ring for underneath, and this supports it better than what I had on there. So I think that's where originally it cracked. So now you'll see all the extra decorations that I've done on it here. So I'm going to turn it all the way round so you can get a good look of all of the things that I've done to it. Now each place that it cracked, I put a line of these really I think they're kind of like bead dividers or something like that, or sequins I think you'd probably call them. So here's a bit of a close-up. Now some of these I put on as extra because I wanted a bit more kind of like jazz in the end. I wanted a lot more, and when I tested it and I put the light on, you could see the cracks through it still, so I thought no, it definitely needs more. So I put them on all the way round where it all cracked. Now as you can see, it cracked in many places, so I'll just show you nice and close up so you can see how pretty these are. Now I remember saying in my video that I was doing it really plain and it felt weird, and well, it's not plain anymore, and the reason why is because it broke. So this is kind of, as I said, a confession. Polymer clay does break, obviously, from time to time. Don't take it seriously. If you can fix it, fix it. If you think, well, I've learnt from it, I can make it again. So that's kind of the way I look at this. It's not a malfunction of suddenly thinking that everything is going wrong. Don't take it seriously, just fix it if you want to. So I'm just going to show you a bit of a close-up here where the little sort of sequins didn't go down to the bottom. I put a little kind of like a gem thing on them, and then some of them I didn't because the sequiny things all came down here, and I'm going to spin it around so you can see it all together. I just think, you know, it's so much better now. Now in the light it does catch, so like during the day this sort of catches the light anyway, as you can see, and I don't know, I think it's better. Now there's I can't say it, but there's like a tradition where you fit in, I think it's Japan, where you fix things with gold, you know, things that are broken, you then put it together and it's more beautiful afterwards. Now this was my sign. When things break, you just put it back together, and quite often it's better than it was before. So that's kind of where I'm going with this. So it will hang up, and in fact the video that you see, that you're going to see, that you haven't seen yet, I know, that is going to be up because I just absolutely love it. So it's a lot stronger now. A little bit of a close-up so you can see all of the decoration again. I can't see what I'm doing, so I'm just going to pull it all the way around so you can see, and I just think it's, I don't know, it's caught the light a lot better now, and I think it's going to look a lot better during the day. Now at night time it does show through a little bit because I put some light in it, and I'm going to show you some sort of clips at the end. This is literally just a show and tell, and then some new glamour shots, because at the end of the day I like to be kind of authentic on my channel, and if something breaks I'm not going to pretend it was absolutely perfect and brilliant, because not everything is in this life, let's face it. So one more time all the way round. I mean at the top here that's probably the better way to do it actually, so all the way around like this. And they're just everywhere, and it took me the best part of I guess a whole day. I got stuck together with glue. All these little sequins got stuck all over my table, all over my floor, glitter everywhere, the whole works. Literally it was just fun with glue. So I don't like glue unless I'm sticking something together after it's been baked, and then if I'm using glue it will have a ton of glitter on it, or it will have something that covers the glue completely. I don't like glue normally because it makes the polymer clay all shiny where you've put the glue unless you're really careful with it. But I wanted a ton of glue on this. I wanted to make sure it was completely covered and making sure that it was going to stay put this time and not fall off. The most important thing is when you do a lampshade is to have these rings on. They should have made that a bit more clearer. So the depth of this now is a lot bigger. You can see it just here, it's a lot more stronger, and because this is still quite light it will hold up because it's going to hold it steady, and that's the part that holds the weight, obviously the lampshade bit and the bulb and whatnot. This is not going to be edited much because I can't be bothered. So this is how you make a proper lampshade with polymer clay. Cue the glamour shots.